What makes you different from some of the other data product providers attending the event today?
Yes. So technically, we're really not a data products provider. We're a software product that allows you to create data products, govern those data products, and then deliver them to your user consumers, your data consumers in your organization. What makes us different, if we think about a data products catalog, how we would deliver those to the end users, the consumers of the data, most people think of a data catalog as a metadata management, a metadata catalog, but they don't necessarily have data associated with their data catalog. Our data products catalog literally delivers data products in that data catalog format. So it's an Amazon-like shopping experience for the user community to get data products. Data products being something that literally has governance wrapped around it. So it's a data set, typically for a specific purpose, with the data governance wrapped around it, delivered in that online shopping kind of experience. So it's really a catalog on top of a metadata catalog with those data products that are ready for consumption and analytics by the users.
Obviously, looking around your signs, I can see AI thrown in there as well. How does that, come into that, that solution?
So it comes in a couple of different places. Anytime you're building a data catalog, you're dealing with metadata, you want to be able to automatically harvest the metadata, but you've got to take that metadata and apply business glossaries to it. You've got to apply business terms to it. So we use Gen AI to do a lot of that suggestions, if you will, and kind of a co-pilot type of an environment so that you can get up and running very, very quickly with a catalog that's got your suggestions for business rules, for validation rules, suggestions for data quality rules, suggestions for the business glossaries, for tags that you would put on that in that catalog, and all of the other pieces that go into making up that data product. All of the data quality and observability, the data pipeline, so ingestion, transformation, the data profiling, all of those pieces that go into building that data products catalog, again, more than just the metadata catalog.
What are some of the big challenges that companies are facing when it comes to making the most out of their data? And how does Right Data help solve those challenges?
So a couple of the folks that we talked to today specifically were mentioning, for example, that they want to give data to the end users. They need to give them access to it because it's what they're doing, it's what they're driving their decisions with. But they've been giving them raw data. So now we give them BI tools, we give them raw data, they still can't find what they're looking for. It's still a bit of a hectic mess. The whole idea behind that data products is to organize the delivery of the data and those data sets to the users in a way that's meaningful and purpose-driven. Putting that in a data products catalog makes the data easy to find and it's easy to take action. Again, differentiating from a typical metadata catalog, the users can find stuff that's out there, but there's no real data associated with it. A data products catalog, the data is associated with it. So they can find it, and then they can take action. They, for example, in a data products catalog, they could look at a data product and then drop right into, say, a BI tool like Power BI or Tableau or ThoughtSpot, and then they can take action on the data, actually start the analytics and so forth. So different environment, we feel like it gives a much more controlled and governed way to give the users access to the data, and it makes it easy for them to find exactly what they need.